today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change x-axis values in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're creating a simple graph for a project or working on a detailed report, knowing how to modify your chart's axis values can make your data more comprehensible and your visuals more effective. Let's dive right in. Once you have your chart open in Excel, the first thing you need to do is click on your chart to select it. Selecting your chart ensures that any changes you make will be applied to the correct visual. You'll notice that when a chart is selected, a new tab appears in the Excel ribbon. This is the Chart Design tab, which is filled with a suite of tools to fine-tune your chart. Now that your chart is selected, head over to the Chart Design tab. In this tab, you'll find an option called Select Data. Click on this. The Select Data Source window that pops up is where you can manage your chart data and edit how it's displayed. Here, you have a bird's eye view of your data range and the series contributing to your chart. At this point, find the button labeled Switch Row/Column. Clicking Switch Row Column allows you to transpose the way your data is visualized on the chart. This can sometimes automatically change the x-axis, but it's mainly useful for altering the fundamental layout of your chart in lieu of changing the axis data directly. If you find that Switch Row Column didn't quite achieve the desired result, or if you'd like to specify exactly how the x-axis should behave, you might need to directly adjust the range of data assigned to your x-axis. You'll see two boxes labeled Legend Entries, Series, and Horizontal Category Axis labels. To change the x-axis values, look specifically at the Horizontal Category Axis Labels box. Click Edit here to input a new range for your x-axis. This action allows you to define precisely which data points will appear along this axis, ensuring they accurately represent the information you want to display. Once you've made all your changes, simply click OK to close the Select Data Source window. Your chart should now update with your new x-axis values. This tweak can significantly impact readability and ensure your chart conveys the message you're aiming to present. And that's it. You've successfully changed the x-axis values in your Microsoft Excel chart. Remember, making your data as clear as possible is crucial for effective communication, and tweaking axis values is a vital skill in achieving this goal. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you master more Excel functions in our next video.